Si Don Roy. Nandito siya sa Baker J. Dito sa Mimosa. Don Roy. Isla. Noe. Noe, careful, Noe. Noe, stand up. Isla. Ganda naman ni Isla. Oo. Wait ni Ate Noe, oh. Tinutulak ka, oh. No, careful, Noe. Ay, 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 ay. No, don't go there.
Bibigyan kita ng phone. Eh, hindi pala naka-play eh. Ano ba naman mga nilalang to?
Yung nak na solo. Say Mada Ube.
Oh, smile! How are you? How's your tip? Let me see. Smile. Ay! Why did you wear that?
May sa akin na yun.
Look at here. Smile. Smile, baby!
Some driving range. Good boy. Come. Sure, come. This side. Come. Here. Listen, try you. Try you. If you never try, you never know. So just, you never play? So you put your hand over here. Okay. And here you put just a little finger across, so it blocks your hand. Then you just let it flat. Then you hold it to be close over here. Then keep focus on the ball all the time. Oh, sorry, see? Because if you do that, you will miss the ball. try. Just relax. Really focus on the ball. Focus on the ball. Don't focus on where the ball will go. Go up a little bit more. Don't go up. It's okay. Just let it go. Just try like this first. Get the feeling for. We call that a strike. We do that as well, don't worry. It was very important to really focus on the ball. Let this one down, let this one down. Don't lift it, let it down and just go. Oh, you're eating fritters? I have one pack last night. Shot and shot and shot. I still have the same, don't worry. Just on the tree, you know. That's why we come and hide over here. We feel like I got with the ball up there. Not like this one, yeah, this one. But this one you don't need the tee off. You just need the ball on the ground. Game, even if you don't know how to play, you come with friends, you still can have fun.
Go, Daddy, go. Coming. Ay.
Yeah, go higher, don't worry. Go higher with the kick. Just because it's that arm, sorry. Just like the speed comes after, just the feeling. Listen, you want to drive the phone? It's okay, don't worry. There is no camera, nobody sees you.
Ay, video.
It's okay. I control the camera, so I can kill it.
Vlog. Engineer Roy, vlog. Wow. Go, Lolo, amo.
You don't start hard, but you build up as you go.
Istorbo tayo pang Amerikano. Sabi mo, Lara.
I play here because I work here. But you see, I just finished the day. I say I just want to relax. I come here for 1 hour and I just practice. I'm just that way, you know. I just do that for fun, you know.
Ba't alam na pa hindi Islam?
I know many people get money.
Nanikal ko, kabayat na. Thank you, sir, for allowing me. Hindi ka naka-ano, Aproy? Hindi ka naka-shoot? Nanya, kung naman ni Albert na, ning layo na. Nalayo na ko naman.
Ano pa yung tayo?
Ako, tang ako niya ba? Eh, America kain eh. So, at niya accent pin eh, nandin. Kung pinicture na kanlaran po ang video.
Okay, so look at the board. Don't look at this thing.
Woo! No strike.
Don't be too far.
Hindi kaya extra ka pang vlog pop zero yun. We have a extra. Ala pa.
Just make some wind. But we all do that, don't worry.
Ay!
Guys, you have a woman challenging you, that's remember? So, if she win, you do the dishes tonight, huh? Okay. No, we never give enough food. Let it go.
Yeah.
So that's how you gain speed and you go far.
Dito po tayo sa Mimosa ngayon. See?
Because she's relaxed. You have to
Hindi
be...
ko to 10.
Hindi mo na, magpa-thank you kayo. Mr. Buye, ano na, ako ay
I
magpa...
am your manager over here. So, I manage here at the hotel. So, but hopefully you like the place. It's pretty new. And we try to improve.
Sabi mo, madalas kayo dito.
Okay, come around, you know, but me, I come during the day, go back to the hotel, but I think it's a cool place and we try to give a good vibe.
Yeah, it's,
Yeah, and soon we try to put the light outside, so people will be able to practice.
the
outside
place
at night.
very nice.
Again, a bit more
Yeah.
fun, you know, something to chill out, you know, get out of the city over there.
Thank you so much. Sorry for disturbing.
Okay, take care of the pumpkin, huh?
The place very nice.
I see you soon. Okay.
Yeah, we'll come back. We'll come back. Bye daw, bye.
And next time we shall sprinkle, huh?
Di na yan. Tara.
See you.
Thank you so much, sir. Tara na, seatbelt daw. Patsuro, may extra ka.
Hello.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo po sa vlog.
Meron kang ano, shoutout.
Opo.
Meron kang gusto shoutout? Shoutout mo yung friends mo.
Visit po kayo sa Baker J Cafe, Clark. Thank you po.
Thank you.